Welcome back, you guys. Today we're working on Kangaroo 2017, grade 7 to 8, question 27. This is a great brain teaser. How many natural numbers n have the property that among the numbers 1, 2, and so on till n can be anything, exactly 30% are divisible by 3. So they're asking us to figure out the factors of 3 and figure out what can actually n be, um, and based on that figure out that it's actually divisible by 3 and has to be exactly 30% of the numbers from 1 to n. So let's think that 1 or n is 10. So the multiples from 1 to 10 are 3, 6, and 9. Correct? That's 3 out of 10 numbers. If I want to figure out the percentage of that, that's just gonna be 3 out of 10 times 100. Cancel the zeros and we get 30%. Let's do the same for 1 to 20 numbers. Now we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and those are 6 out of 20 numbers. Multiply by 100, zeros cancel. 10 divided by 2 is 5, which is 6 times 5, and that's 30%. Let's see if 1 to 30 numbers have 30% of the multiples of 3. So 3 to 18 are going to be counted. After 18, the multiple is 21, 27, 24, 27, 30, which are 6 plus 4, 10 out of 30 numbers. Multiply that by 100, and that gives me 100 over 3, which is 33.3%. Ooh, that's not exactly 30. It's greater than 30. Hence, we can only have 1 to 10 and 1 to 20 as our natural numbers that are exactly 30% divisible by 3. So 10 and 20 is 2. Option C. Let me know if you guys had a different way of solving this question. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.